hunting treasures. Today we've got Golden Egg and
Silverbeard the Gradsail Pirate. Poor old ducky, the truck left without him. So we've got a mail call from Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering Fun. Do you want to do the camera while I open the letter? Cool, we've got a card with the American flag on it. Awesome. Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering Fun stickers. Nice. And then we've got 2 coins up there. Awesome, we'll look at them in a sec. Richo, congrats on the win, mate. I had a blast hanging out on your stream and look forward to future collaborations with your channel. Scrapping. Sorry for the camera there, darling. And we've got 2 rosy dimes. Awesome. We love dimes, don't we, Golden Egg?
yeah.
Do you want to try and get one of them coins out of there for yourself, Dal?
Yeah.
You can have one of them and I'll keep the other one.
Okay.
And we'll put Scrapping sticker up on the board. So make sure everyone you go and check out Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering and Fun. Oops. This stuff's not playing ball for me. There we go. Where are we going to put him? Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering Fun. Next to Bill J, above silver giveaways, and next to coin hunting couple. Did you get one out, Dale?
Yeah, I've got one out.
Awesome. So which one are you going to get to keep?
This one.
You want that one? So
Yeah.
I get this one?
Yep.
Okay. So this one is a... Hang on, I'll look at it off camera for a sec. A 1964. Nice.
Ooh, okay.
So you want to put the other one up, Dale?
Yep.
Thank you very much, my friend. Appreciate that greatly. So everyone go over and check out Scrapping, Hoarding, Tinkering and Fun. Awesome, mate. Thank you very much for the coins. We really appreciate them greatly. There you go. Golden Egg's putting your other sticker up for you, my friend. Awesome. So if you've liked what you've seen and you want to join our pirate crew,
Don't
forget to subscribe and smash the bell.
I need to pay now. Bye.
Bye, Ducky, you little thief. Bye, everyone.